Love cafe-style espresso but don't want to overspend? The good news is, you don't need to break the bank to enjoy rich, creamy espresso at home. In this guide, I'll share the 5 best affordable espresso machines available, each carefully reviewed for performance, value, and design. Perfect for US coffee lovers seeking budget-friendly quality. Number 1. Best overall, Casabrews 3700 Essential Espresso Machine. If you're looking for the perfect balance of affordability and performance, the Casabrews 3700 Essential is a fantastic choice. It brings cafe-quality espresso straight to your kitchen without the hefty price tag. Features and highlights of Casabrews 3700 Essential Espresso Machine. 20-bar professional pressure system for rich crema. Compact stainless steel design, great for kitchens with limited counter space. Built-in milk frother for cappuccinos and lattes. Why I like it. The Casabrews 3700 delivers consistent espresso shots that taste remarkably close to what you'd get at a coffee shop. It's easy to use, beginner-friendly, and makes both espresso and milk-based drinks quickly. Why I didn't like it. It doesn't have a large water tank, so frequent refills might be needed if you're making drinks for multiple people. Number 2. Best value, Coffee Gator Espresso Machine. The Coffee Gator Espresso Machine is a budget-friendly powerhouse that proves you don't need to overspend to enjoy good espresso. Features and highlights of Coffee Gator Espresso Machine. 20-bar pump pressure for full-bodied flavor. Sleek design with stainless steel finish. Easy-to-use milk frother for cappuccinos and lattes. Why I like it. This machine offers incredible value for the price, producing strong, rich espresso shots. The frother works surprisingly well, making it ideal for latte lovers on a budget. Why I didn't like it. It can be a bit noisy compared to higher-end machines, but for the price point, that's a minor trade-off. Number 3. Best stovetop, Bialetti Mocha Express. A true classic, the Bialetti Mocha Express is perfect for those who want authentic stovetop espresso at a fraction of the cost of electric machines. Features and highlights of Bialetti Mocha Express. Timeless Italian design, available in multiple sizes. Durable aluminum body. Easy to use, no electricity required. Why I like it. The Mocha Express is a coffee lover's essential. It makes bold, rich espresso-like coffee with a nostalgic Italian charm. It's also extremely durable and portable, perfect for both home and travel. Why I didn't like it. It doesn't produce authentic espresso with crema like an electric pump machine, which may disappoint those who crave cafe-style espresso. Number 4. Best portable, Wakako Nanapresso. If you're always on the go, the Wakako Nanapresso is a must-have for espresso lovers who travel or camp. Features and highlights of Wakako Nanapresso. Compact, lightweight design. Manual pump system, no electricity required. Compatible with ground coffee and Nespresso pods, with adapter. Why I like it. The Nanapresso is small but mighty, delivering surprisingly rich espresso with thick crema anywhere you are. Perfect for road trips, office use, or camping. Why I didn't like it. It requires manual pumping, which may feel tiring if you make multiple shots back-to-back. Number 5. Best design, DeLonghi Stylosa Espresso Machine. For those who want style and performance in one package, the DeLonghi Stylosa is a stunning choice that elevates any kitchen. Features and highlights of DeLonghi Stylosa Espresso Machine. Sleek, modern design with stainless accents. 15-bar professional pump pressure. Adjustable frother for cappuccinos and lattes. Why I like it. The Stylosa not only looks beautiful on the counter but also delivers smooth, balanced espresso. It's a great entry-level machine for anyone wanting both design and function. Why I didn't like it. It doesn't heat up as fast as some competitors, so you'll need a little patience before your morning brew. Finding the best affordable espresso machine doesn't mean sacrificing quality. Whether you want the all-around reliability of the Casabrews 3700, the budget-friendly Coffee Gator, or the stylish DeLonghi Stylosa, there's an option for every coffee lover. Investing in one of these machines means you'll enjoy rich, cafe-style espresso right at home, without the cafe prices.